Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today is October 21st, 2025, and here's the latest update on Bigbear.Ai Holdings, ticker symbol BBAI. BBAI is currently trading at around $7.27, reflecting a slight decline of 2.55% from yesterday's close. Throughout today, the stock traded between $7.15 and $7.50. Over the past year, BBAI has experienced volatility, with a 52-week high of $10.36 and a low of $1.51. The company specializes in AI-powered decision intelligence solutions, catering to defense, logistics, and enterprise markets. Its market cap is approximately $2.7 billion. Despite recent dips, BBAI's technicals show support near the $7 level with a 50-day moving average at about $4.65, indicating long-term potential. Earnings per share remain negative at -$1.58, but with strong analyst ratings and a price target of $5.83, suggesting some optimism. For today's trading strategy, consider buying near the support level at $7. With a stop-loss below $6.80. Resistance is around $7.50 to $7.80, where traders could take some profits. Long-term investors should watch for upcoming earnings on November 10th and further advancements in AI technology adoption. That's your BBAI update for October 21st, 2025. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights and trading tips. Thanks for watching.